Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe. In the previous class, we have studied about body movements. Now, one question is there: what makes our body parts to move? So, the answer is joints. Because it is the location in our body where two or more bones are joined. Now, see this picture. This is the structure of knee, and you can clearly observe joint in all the given pictures. All the movements of our body are brought about by joints and muscles, and at the joint our bones are held together by ligaments. Now ये joints body के अलग अलग parts के लिए अलग अलग होते हैं, जैसा कि आप इस पिक्चर में भी देख सकते हो। ये सभी अलग अलग प्रकार के joints हैं, जिनकी वजह से हम body के different parts को move कर सकते हैं। So let's discuss the types of joints. Basically, there are two types of joints. First is fixed joint and second is movable joints. So let's discuss these one by one. First, fixed joint. The joint in which no movement of bones is possible. And the example of this kind of joint is joint of skull and upper jaw. So you can clearly observe a joining line between skull and upper jaw, which shows that it is a fixed joint. Second type of joint is movable joint. बेसिकली इस टाइप के जॉइंट से हम अपनी बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को मूव कर सकते हैं, एंड इन जॉइंट की भी एक अलग अलग क्लासिफिकेशन होती है, जिसमें पहली है बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट। इस टाइप के जॉइंट में एक राउंड बोन दूसरी बोन के हॉलो स्पेस या कैविटी स्पेस में फिक्स होती है, एंड ये बोन के मैक्सिमम मूवमेंट में हेल्प करती है। फॉर एग्जांपल, जॉइंट बिटवीन शोल्डर and upper arm, and second example, the joint between thigh and hip. In this given clip you can clearly see the maximum movement of these joints. Now next type of joint is pivotal joint. In this, a cylindrical bone rotates in a ring, something like this picture, and it allows movement in many planes like up and down, right and left. And example of these kind of joints are joint between skull and vertebral column. Now student, tell me one thing: how you move your elbow and knee? So the answer is this: just because of hinge joint. It allows the movement of 180 degree, like back side and forth side. An example of these kind of joints are knee and elbow joint. Here you can see this is an example of hinge joint, the movement of 180 degree. नेक्स्ट जॉइंट है ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट। ये जॉइंट रिस्ट में, टो में एंड बैकबोन में पाया जाता है। ये सिर्फ लिमिटेड मूवमेंट को ही अलाउ करता है, क्योंकि इसमें बोन्स का जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो वन ऑन अनदर होता है, इसीलिए इसे ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट कहते हैं। So this was all about joints due to which our body part move. In our next video, we will study about skeletal system.